Look, check it out. Check it out. Wait, see the puppy? Look, check him out. Oh, he's not out there. But you know what we should do? You know what we should do? We should feed the puppy again. Of part 3.
Yo!
You know what I got for him? Come over here. Look what I got for him. Look at that. Don't you just think he'll love that? Yeah. We just called the puppy to see if he was home and if he could eat his food. This is what we got for him. He said, yeah,
bring it on up, buddy. It's gonna be good, you know.
So I said, okay, we're coming up, buddy. Just wait a few minutes. We'll be up there and eat. He said, no, you get up here now. We got to go up there. So the other kid, he's getting everything ready. We're fixing to go feed the puppy. We got to go feed this dog. Let's go. We got some Pt.3. We're going. There's a dog over there. Like I said earlier, we told him was coming down. Give him a treat or two, you know what I'm saying? He was like, nice. I was like, let's go see the puppy. Come on, let's go. Now this puppy right here, he's got his treats. Just take a look at this puppy for a minute. He's a cute little dude. Watch it, he tries to escape.
Yo, check it.
He's gonna slow down now just because. Yo, dog. Shout out to Kibbles and Bits.
Kibbles and bits.
Oh.
Eat your food, buddy. You eat your food, son. You like your food.
Don't you?
Okay.
Come on down here. He ain't gonna attack you. Now, you know. That. He's a wild thing. Put some jungle music with this. Like this. Look what I got him. I got him some special treats. Hey. Go eat your stuff, son. Go eat your treats. Go eat your... Hey, puppy. I got for you. Hit my finger.
Was that better than them old?
Oh!
You got the deal.
Did you like your treats? Okay. Good puppy. You wanna play with this thing? You're gonna stay up here a while. Goodbye.
Just kidding.
I guess we'll just have to see you later.